Welcome to this ClickShare information video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the latest ClickShare Android app to easily share content from your Android tablet or smartphone wirelessly on your meeting room display. There are 3 simple steps to take. First, connect your device to your ClickShare Wi-Fi network. Next, open the app and select content from your phone or device. And finally, click the virtual button to share the content with the meeting room display. Let me show you how. Okay, let's first connect to the ClickShare Wi-Fi network. Go to Settings, then Wi-Fi, and select ClickShare from the network list. Log in using the default password ClickShare. Now you're connected to and ready to use the app. Next, open the app. You can select documents or photos from your device, then tap on the virtual button to share. If prompted, confirm the base unit you want to use. And you should be sharing your device with the meeting room display. Scroll through photos, annotate, erase, and save annotations. You can share your camera view or take a screenshot to share. You can zoom. If you have a 3 or 4G internet connection, you can share online content via a browser or link to cloud drives such as Google, Dropbox, or OneDrive and select content stored there. If more than one person is sharing their screen, you can take over the whole meeting room display by pressing the virtual button for 2 seconds. Tap again at any time to stop sharing. If PIN code security is switched on for your base unit, you'll have to enter a PIN code before you can share using the app. You'll see the PIN on the meeting room display. If you're having difficulty sharing, try switching off your 3G or 4G mobile data connection. The app also allows you to mirror your Android device. Tap Screen Mirroring. Tap the virtual button, select your base unit, and everything displayed on your device should be mirrored on the meeting room display. To stop mirroring, go back to the app and tap the virtual button. And that is how you use the ClickShare Android app.